I made the Big Sky Conference in college football 27. I have a Big Sky North Division and a Big Sky South Division. 13 teams, football members, 11 full members, but 13 total with football. Big Sky North, Montana State, Idaho State, Montana, Eastern Washington, Idaho, Portland State, UC Davis. Big Sky South, Weber State, Northern Arizona, Northern Colorado, SUU, Utah Tech, and Cal Poly. Yeah, this is under... I created all of these teams. All of these were mine. So if you just go on the username section in Team Builder and type in Connor Gentry 96. Yeah, CONNER Gentry GENTRY 96, and all these teams will pop up, and you can do the exact same thing I'm doing. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and these are the most realistic Big Sky teams you're going to see in the game, in my opinion. Every team with a mountain drop has a mountain drop. Every team with an indoor stadium has an indoor stadium. A lot of teams have different fight songs that you can have. And they have their real like sounds whenever they score a touchdown too, like a siren or like a cannon, you know, whatever. So yeah, so these are like the most real, and all of them have the Big Sky logos on the jerseys and on the field, even during Dynasty. So hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and yeah, feel free to download these under the username or type it in Connor Gentry 96. So thanks.